Wel-Centre, your companion in education.
Hello kids, welcome to Wel-Centre. Our focus is on the letter U, which makes the short vowel sound Let's start. Sound the letters. S, N, sun. Spell the word. Sun. S, U, N. Sun. Sound and say the word. D. Mud. Now let's spell the word. Mud. M-U-D. Mud. Wow! Sound the letters and say the word. Pup. Now let's spell the word. Pup. P-U-P. Pup. Great job! Let's sound letters and say the word. F-N. Fun. Now let's spell the word. Fun. F-U-N. Fun. That's good of you. Sound the letters and say the word. S-U-B. Sub. Now let's spell the word. Sub. S-U-B. Sub. Yes, you are wonderful. Sound and say the word. R-U-N. Run. Spell the word. Run. R-U-N. Run. Nice! Sound the letters and say the word. D-U-G. Dug. Spell it. Dug. D-U-G. Dug. Wow! Sound and say the word. T-U-B. Tub. Now let's spell the word. Tub. T-U-B. Tub. You are amazing! Sound the letters and say the word. R-U-G. Rug. Spell the word. Rug. R-U-G. Rug. Excellent work! See you in the next phonics lesson.
Your companion in education.